Good morning, students. In our previous topic, we were discussing packing efficiency of the unit cell or the packing fraction of the unit cell or the packing density of the unit cell. We had seen there we know that A is equal to 2R in simple cubic unit cell. We have seen it, and root 3A is equal to 4R in body centered cubic unit cell, and root 2A is equal to 4R in face centered cubic unit cell. Okay, this we know. Now, packing efficiency or the packing fraction in percentage is equal to Z into volume of one atom upon volume of unit cell into 100, where Z is rank of unit cell. For this you can see our previous lecture. For recap, simple cubic has Z value 1, FCC has Z value 4, and BCC has Z value equal to 2. Okay. अच्छा, atom is spherical and the volume should be 4/3 pi r cube, you know it, and unit cell is cubic, so volume should be side cube, that is A cube. Now with this only we can see the packing fraction in percentage of simple cubic unit cell will be Z1 into 4/3 pi r cube upon volume of cube A cube into 100. This is equal to 4 into 3.14 into r cube into 100 upon A की वैल्यू यहाँ से ले लीजिए. Here A is equal to 2R, तो 2R whole cube, this is equal to 8R cube. R cube cancel, and this approximately comes 52%. Right? Similarly, for face centered cubic unit cell, this is 4 into 4 into 3.14 into r cube into 100 upon a cube. A cube means from here you can find out a is equal to, from here, 2 root 2r cube. This is equal to 8 16 root 2 r cube. R cube cancel. Put the value here and FCC you get 74%. And third, packing fraction percentage of BCC. The Z is 2 into 4 upon 3 pi r cube, pi 3.14 into r cube into 100 upon a cube. A you know from here, a is equal to root 3 by 4r. R cube cancel. Here we get 68%. And what is this all? 52.4% packing fraction. This is 74%. This is 68%. It means the volume fraction of a unit cell occupied by atoms, the constituent atoms, of unit cell. Right. So for example, in simple cubic, packing fraction is 52%, 52.4%. Therefore, vacancy fraction कितना है? Vacancy efficiency or vacancy fraction, that is 100 minus 52.4, right? That is 47.6. Similarly, in FCC, the vacancy fraction is 100 minus 74. This is equal to 26%. In BCC, vacancy fraction is 100 minus 68. This is equal to 32%. So from this value, and vacancy fraction क्या होता है? Empty space of unit cell. तो सबसे ज्यादा empty space किसमें है? Body centered और simple cubic. Empty space, है ना? The value represents the result. Okay, thank you. See you in the next topic. Till then, enjoy, stay safe.